Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in the previous video we discussed about what is forex, then how does forex trading work. In this video we are going to be talking about major market players. Who are the major market players? In other words, who are the market participants? Who are the people participating in this market? That is what we are going to be looking at in this video. So by the end of this video we are going to understand the type of market that forex is, then the major market participants, like I've said, where you as a beginner trader fit in all of this. So stay tuned in this video. Now, we've discussed before that the forex market is a decentralized market. What does this mean? It means that it is a decentralized market. Forex market is a decentralized market, so it means that there is no particular building to say this is forex trading building or this is a building where forex is being done. No, forex trading is a decentralized market, which means that it can be done in anywhere. Either you are in Mount Fuji or you are on Kilimanjaro, Mountain Kilimanjaro, whatever it is. We are free to trade forex anywhere you are. It is a decentralized market. There is nobody that controls the forex market. So the forex market is there as a decentralized market, and it is open for 24/7, 24/5 actually. It's open 24 hours a day. So why is it open 24 hours a day? The answer there is that there are different countries that participate in forex market. So when one country's central banks, or when one country's banks close, you find out that the other banks, the other countries, their banks are just opening. So that is why the forex market is open for 24 hours, because once this bank is closing, the other bank is just starting work. So it opens like that from Monday to Friday, for 24 hours a day. So that is about that. So that is the type of market that the forex trading is. It is a decentralized market, and it is open for 24 hours a day, 5 days in a week. So the next one, we go to the major participants in the forex market, or we call them the major players. So the next one we are going to look at now is who are the major players, or who are the major participants in this forex trading. So number one on the list is super banks. So super banks, these guys are the major participants in the forex market. They are the major movers. When we say super banks, what do we mean? We are talking about some of the biggest banks in the world, right? The biggest commercial banks in the world. These are the movers. These are the guys that move the forex market, because they do this for business, for transaction, to finalize transaction, for individuals, for organizations, and all of that. So they are super banks. They move the market in very surprising way. The next one is large commercial companies. So large commercial companies, these guys also move a lot of capital. Like, they do a lot of exchange for different organizations and all of that. So let's say, for example, Apple Incorporation wants to buy gadget from Japan. Right? They have to convert their naira. They have to convert their US dollars to Japanese yen. Yes, they have to convert their US dollars, right, to Japanese yen. Right. So what they have done in that regard is forex trading. Now, a lot of organizations also do this, because they want to they will need to transfer or to convert their currency from their own currency to another currency in order to finalize a business transaction. So in that regard, forex trading also is done. So the next player in this forex market is the government government and central banks of almost every country also participate in forex trading, and they do this in order to regulate their economy most of the time, not because they want to make profits, although they do it to make profit, but most of the time they do it to regulate their economy, to make sure the economy is their economy is stable. Right? So government and central bank also participate in forex trading. Then the last one we are going to look at is the retail traders. This is where you and me, this is where we fall into the retail traders, right? Because we don't have the financial capacity to move the market like these guys. So we are retail traders. I mean, the little pennies that we are trading with cannot move the market. So we are only trading along, reacting to the market according to all of these guys. These guys are the major movers of the market. So however they trade is what we are only reacting to them. We are not, as retail traders, we are not to rival with them. We are not to rival with them. We are not to contest with them. We are only going to, as a matter of strategy and all of that, we are supposed to just trade along with them, react to the way that they are trading, and not to compete with these major guys, because they are the major players in the market, right? We as retail traders, we are just trading along with them in order to make some bucks, in order to make some profit. So that is it, guys, on this video. So in the next video, we are going to talking about some forex terminologies, because by the time we go deep and we don't understand what I'm talking about, then it won't be good. So in the next video, I'll be talking about some forex terminologies like pips, leverage, going into broker and all of that, margin call, and the rest. So that's it on this video, guys. If you've gained one or two value from this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, so whenever I drop the next video, you'll be the first person to get notified. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next one.